Hey, it's Ryan from Combat Off-Road. I want to show you our Battle Ready Max Flow Series inner fender for the JT Gladiator, so 2020 and up. We got 6063 aluminum, obviously high UV load powder coat, stainless steel hardware just like all our products, removable backing plate, and we got an extra heat relief. That's what I call the Max Flow. So I'm going to unbox it, kind of show you what you get. Part number is going to be 351266. So 35s for the JT. All right. So I'm gonna start throwing stuff out. Here we go. All right. So they're modular fender, inner fender. So they're gonna come in pieces. You gotta put it together and install it. That's gonna be your front brackets. That's gonna be the rear bracket. That's gonna be all the hardware you're gonna need to install. We'll have a full install video on our channel. It's gonna be your shock pocket, your inner fender well bracket, and that's gonna be the main thing. Is gonna be your extra heat relief. So what we did was, instead of the big logo, I'll show you in a sec, we're gonna add a heat relief. If you're in the hot weather, summertime, you know, where you see a lot of that, or you do a lot of slow moving trail stuff, you wanna pull that engine bay heat out. And then we got our cool removable backing plate. So I'll show you what it looks like really quick. So you have our original one, big backing plate. There is a heat relief, but what we've done is we've added this as a heat relief. You still have the front heat relief, and then you have the logo. So that's gonna be the major difference in the Max Airflow. Just a little more heat relief options and a smaller logo. Same thicknesses, same materials. So everything's ready to go. So you're gonna have two of them. And that's everything in the kit. That's it unboxed. I'm gonna show you what it looks like put together. So there it is, assembled, ready to install into the Jeep.
Can we see the back, the hardware?
Yeah. So there's the back side, your backing plate, heat reliefs, everything ready to go. There you go.